Your credit score can open doors, or slam them shut. It's a crucial number that can affect many aspects of your life, from getting approved for a mortgage to securing a job. A low credit score can be a significant barrier, but the good news is that it's never too late to improve it. If you've been denied for a loan, a car, or even an apartment, don't worry. You're not alone, and there are steps you can take to turn things around. Improving your credit score can open up new opportunities and give you the financial freedom you deserve. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your credit fast, the right way. We'll cover practical steps that you can start implementing today to see real results. Whether you're looking to buy a house, get a new car, or simply improve your financial health, these tips will help you get there. Step 1. Check for errors. This is the first and most crucial step in fixing your credit. Errors on your credit report can drag down your score unnecessarily. Over 34% of credit reports contain mistakes. These errors can range from incorrect personal information to accounts that don't belong to you. Identifying and correcting these mistakes can have a significant impact on your credit score. Fixing errors alone can boost your score by 50+ points in 30 days. Imagine the difference that could make in your financial life. It's a quick win that can set you on the path to better credit. First, go to annualcreditreport.com for free weekly reports. This website allows you to access your credit reports from all 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, at no cost. Look for mistakes like incorrect accounts or late payments. Pay close attention to any discrepancies and make a note of them. These errors can be disputed and corrected, which can help improve your score. Dispute errors with Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Each bureau has a process for disputing errors, and it's essential to follow their guidelines to ensure your disputes are handled correctly. Step 2. Pay down debt smartly. Reducing your debt is another critical step in improving your credit score. High levels of debt can negatively impact your score, so it's essential to tackle it strategically. Debt makes up 30% of your credit score. This means that managing your debt effectively can have a substantial impact on your overall score. It's not just about paying off debt, but doing so in a way that maximizes your credit score improvement. Here's how to tackle it. Start by making a list of all your debts, including the interest rates and minimum payments. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation and help you prioritize which debts to pay off first. Snowball method, pay off small debts first for motivation. This method involves paying off your smallest debts first while making minimum payments on larger debts. As you pay off each small debt, you'll gain momentum and motivation to tackle larger ones. Avalanche method, pay off high-interest debt first to save money. This method focuses on paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, which can save you money in the long run by reducing the amount of interest you pay. Call your lenders and ask for a lower interest rate. It works. Many lenders are willing to negotiate lower interest rates, especially if you have a good payment history. A lower interest rate can make it easier to pay down your debt faster. Step 3. Quick credit boosting hacks. Sometimes you need a quick boost to your credit score, and there are several strategies you can use to achieve this. Want a fast credit boost? Try this. These hacks can provide a quick lift to your score, helping you reach your financial goals faster. Become an authorized user. Ask someone to add you to their old credit card. This can help you benefit from their positive credit history, which can boost your score. Get a credit builder loan. Use services like Self or Credit Strong. These loans are designed to help you build credit by making regular, on-time payments. Increase your credit limit. Lowers utilization and boosts your score. By increasing your credit limit, you can lower your credit utilization ratio, which is a key factor in your credit score. Final step: monitor and maintain. Keeping an eye on your credit score and maintaining good credit habits is essential for long-term success. Fixing your credit isn't just a one-time thing, it's a lifetime habit. Regularly monitoring your credit and making smart financial decisions will help you maintain a high score. Use free credit monitoring tools like Credit Karma. These tools can help you keep track of your score and alert you to any changes or potential issues. Set up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Late payments can significantly impact your credit score, so setting up automatic payments ensures you never miss a due date. Don't open too many new accounts at once. Each new account can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your score. Check the links below for my recommended credit repair tools. These resources can provide additional support and guidance as you work to improve your credit. A high credit score can change your life. It can lead to better interest rates, more financial opportunities, and overall peace of mind. Click the links in the description to start fixing your credit today. Take control of your financial future and watch your credit score soar.